Hello guys, in this episode we're gonna see how to make paper knitting. So for this craft, the materials that we need are papers, 2 sheets, scissors, and stapler or glue. These are the things that we need. So first, we're gonna take the sheets and draw lines with pencil and a ruler. Do the same on the other sheet, but if you draw it vertically here, draw it horizontally here. But make sure that the length should be the same. So now we're gonna start the craft. So first, take the sheet that you've drawn vertical lines on. Now mark the edges, the size of these. See, I've marked it a bit. Can you see it? So mark it in the same way on all 4 corners. Now I'm gonna fold it. On the marked lines. I have folded it. Now let's open it up. Now till this folded lines, we're gonna cut. But to make it easier to cut, we're gonna fold it in half. So you're gonna cut with your scissors just till here, like this, from this side of the fold. Cut a little strip from the end, just this one, so that it'll be easier for us to glue it. Now we're just gonna cut from here to here. Like when you use your scissor, just cut from here to here, not till here. I have cut them now. If you open it, you've got strip-like structures. Now, take the other color sheet. Make sure that when you take sheets, take 2 different colors so that you'll know the difference. So this sheet, in which we have marked horizontal lines, we're gonna cut them in strips like we did for this one. We're gonna cut them in strips. So now I've cut the paper, the yellow one, into strips. Now we're going to take the orange paper and then into these marked lines we're going to insert these yellow strips. So I'm going to take one strip, I'm going to insert it like this, alternately. First through here, then leave this one down here, and then leave that one and down there. So now, since we had cut out that extra portion, now we can glue it neatly, like behind. We can do that if we want. Or if you're not willing to do that, you can cut these off. You can even do without cutting the strip, but if you want it to be strong, then you can cut it off. So this is the side where we mark the lines. It will be neater if you turn it back. this. So we're going to insert everything like that, every single strip, and but you can do the second strip differently. Like you've started this one from below, right, like this, and then up. But this one, second one, going to start from up, then down, up, then down, then up, then finally down. Now we've got a pattern like a chessboard pattern. Here's the dark and light and the dark and the light and the dark and the light and the dark. The light, dark, light, dark, light, dark. So this is the pattern. So you can trim the excess or glue it at the back. So you gotta do everything till here with all of these. Finally, till here. Now we have done it fully. I think it's almost done, but now we have to glue it or else it'll just pop out like that. So you're gonna glue it. If you want, you can attach this to another paper. I'm not doing that. You can, if you want it to be strong, then take the orange and put it at the back so that it'll be strong. You can use the stapler. I'll show you. You can use stapler to staple them here, or if you don't want stapler or pins on your paper, then use some glue to stick them. You might have some extra paper because we have left some space over here. Don't worry about that. You can reuse that paper for another craft. So I'm gonna glue it. Let's start from here. I'm gonna put some glue here. Use a pad below so that you can press the glue down firmly. See the edges. Do this to all the side ones. First, let's do these ones. This one and these ones over here. This. So then you can flip it over. I'll show you that. But first, let's glue these ones. Okay, guys, we have stuck these 6 ones. Now let's turn it over. And these ones, we have stuck these and these ones. The ones that were at the back here. We're gonna do all of those 6 ones. Where I have stuck these 2, then we did this first. So now you've got a beautiful pattern. But these extra ones, you can trim them off. Like that. Or if you want this stuff to be firm, you can stick it at the back like that. But it'll make, but if you cut it, it'll be like you can see from here and from here. You can make a chessboard out of it. White and black strips joined together, blue or white, brown or white, anything. So you can, I'm just gonna cut these or excess off. I've done cutting the excess. Now it's neat, but see the oranges, it's like it got holes in them. You can put, see, my scissor goes in. So just to avoid that, you should have, while inserting the yellow ones, you're just gonna glue, put some glue here and then insert it. That's what we should have done, but it's okay because I didn't do it. Now there's a little magic trick. If you take this somewhere, you can stick in scissor or pencil, whatever. If you do it in cardboard or any other materials like thin cardboard or any other materials, then you can put your brush or scissor, craft items, pencil, stationery, etc. Now, if you see, I've given the cut till here, see? So, if you put it like this, then it's like odd because you've got orange here, and here we've got yellow and orange. So we can cut it over here because I've cut till here. So till a little space from where you've cut, you can trim it off. I'm done, but see, I've made a little mistake. I just want to correct that in my next craft. See, you've just got to cut the right amount. See, if I do much, this is what happens. You get some orange here because I've cut till here. And now, see this side, this yellow is a bit small. I should have used these, but my cuts were not big enough. This didn't fit. So mistakes happen, but this is beautiful to me. So make your own chessboard or your carom board or whatever design that you're making. Make beautiful designs with paper, and you can use them for board games like chess. Put it on a pad, and if you make 64 of these, you can play chess on it with pieces. So in this one, we've got 42 squares, these squares. So if you make 64, you can play chess, you can play other games, checkers or whatever. You can make any design with just paper. Try this craft out, and this is very, very good. And this is really interesting to do. Craft improves your thinking skills, and it's a good relaxation. Please try this craft out. Until then, bye-bye. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next episode.